I'm Nurlisa Kamba, aka Chekgu LK, the new leader for GEG Beaufort. As a GEG leader, my mission is to create a strong, supportive, and inspiring community for educators. This year, we have an exciting lineup of events, including training for Google Certified Educator Level 1 and 2, a workshop on AI and Google tool in teaching, and webinars that connect educators, students, and even parents. I also manage our existing social media platforms like Facebook, Telegram, and YouTube to keep everyone updated and engaged. Whether you are just getting started or already exploring digital tools, GEG Beaufort is your space to grow, collaborate, and innovate together. Let's empower each other and make learning more meaningful through technology. I'm excited to lead, learn, and grow with all of you. Thank you.